Hello guys, and welcome back to Jhex Graphics. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to quickly upscale and increase your image quality using Photoshop. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, press Ctrl or Command K, and then you head to Technology Previews, and then you make sure that you enable Preservatives 2.0 Upscale. Now you check OK, and then next you head to Image, then Image Size. Now you make sure that pixels is selected, and then you come over to the size, and then you increase this around 5,000. Then the resolution, you leave this at 300. Now you come over here and make sure that Preservative 2.0 is selected. Once this is selected, you can decide to reduce or increase the noise, and then you check this. Now from here, what I'm going to do now is to duplicate your layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J, and then you head to Filters, and then Sharpen. You choose on Sharpen Max. Then make sure that this is at 84 or 86. Here you can leave this at 4.6 and threshold at 16. This is okay. Then press OK. Now next, you duplicate layers again, and then you head to Filters. Now Order, and you choose High Pass. Here you just want to make sure that the sharpness is not too much, so you reduce this a bit. I think 4.8 or 5.2 is alright. Now from here you head to this place, and then you change this to overlay. From here, if you toggle this off, you'll see the changes, and then toggle it on, you see the changes as well. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop your comments on what you think about this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.